when you're thinking retail, you're really thinking the single tenant standalone. You're thinking of the strip mall that will have, let's say, 4 tenants, the cellular phone company, the mom and pop laundromat. You're with me on this? The pizza place, and something else here, maybe just like oh yeah, a salon. Okay, so that's a strip mall. Here you're charging triple net. What's triple net? The tax, they're paying the insurance, they're paying the maintenance. Here the way you charge the triple net is you're paying the bill and then you're passing it on based on the square footage. This one has released 1,500 square feet, this one 3,000 square feet, this one 2,000. So the bill is 10,000 bucks and you divide it per square foot. It's proportionate to the share. And plus you have here, you charge it as CAM. Can anybody tell me what's CAM? Common Area Maintenance. Because you also have a little parking lot here, and then you need to re-asphalt the parking lot, the lights and all this, and that you're going to pass on the cost proportionately. So their lease is X, plus they have an invoice that comes either quarterly or monthly. You got that? Then you have the mall. Okay, the mall is the regional mall, the power malls. These are big developments, like buying a whole hotel. And then in the mall itself, you know, you got a lot of tenants over here. You have a movie theater, you have smaller tenants, then you have the food court, and you have all this. This is the bigger game. I can tell you that there are many tenants suffering right now in these malls. But you can look statistically, for every one leaving, 2.7 are opening. These are the statistics. But a lot of people like the drama, and they want to broadcast that. You know, Sears is closing, JCPenney is closing, all these big ones are closing. So where do we go? We go to the food operators are growing, right? Look at the statistics, look at the numbers. You don't have to believe me, it's very easy to find. You know now how to search on stuff. So I don't like big malls, okay? We can talk about highest and best use and how to convert them later when we get to the highest and best use. But for now, you can see a trend that they like the single tenant, because they see traffic here right in front of them. And if there is good traffic, whether it's foot traffic or it's car traffic, they can kind of control their destiny. You see my point? That's why I like this. This has always done well and would always continue doing well if you get the right location, right traffic, and know what you're doing. Got the point on retail?